In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a page properties report in Confluence. We're going to build a clean, automated report that pulls consistent details from multiple pages into one place. This is perfect for tracking projects, meeting notes, or status summaries across your workspace. I'll walk you through each step so everything lines up correctly and updates itself as your pages change. Start by creating the individual pages that will feed the report. On each of those pages, insert the page properties macro. You can find it by typing the slash command and searching for page properties. Place it where you want your page summary to live. Inside this macro, you should only include a single table, no extra text above or below inside the macro so the report can read it reliably. Next, add the table inside each page properties macro. Use clear, consistent column headers like status, owner, due date, and summary. Consistency is key. The report matches columns by their header names, so make sure spelling, capitalization, and order are the same across all pages. Keep the first row as headers and avoid merged cells. Enter the relevant details for that page in the row beneath the headers. Now apply the same label to every page you want included in the report. Labels are how the report knows which pages to gather. Add a short, unique label that describes your set and use it exactly the same way on each page. Labels are case sensitive, so keep the format identical everywhere. Create a new page that will serve as your report. Give it a clear title so teammates recognize it as the roll-up view. On this report page, add the page properties report macro. Again, use the slash command to insert it. This macro searches for the tables inside your page properties macros and compiles them here. Set the label or space filter for the report. Add the shared label you used and, if helpful, narrow the scope to a specific space. The macro will pull in matching pages and display their table rows together with your consistent column headers across the top. Publish the report page and review the combined results. If a page is missing, check that the page properties macro contains a single table, the headers match exactly, and the shared label is applied. As you update any source page, the report will reflect those changes automatically. That's it. Your unified, always up-to-date page properties report is ready to go.